Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today I'm getting ready to do my indoor cycling trainer workout with TrainerRoad on my Wahoo kicker. And tonight's workout is the Donner workout on TrainerRoad, which is going to be 3 12-minute threshold intervals at anywhere from 95 to 99% of functional threshold power with 6-minute recoveries in between. Tonight's workout is an hour long, so it's going to be a tough workout. I'm going to just do probably 10-15 minute warm-up on the trainer before I start the program. That's one thing I have noticed so far doing the TrainerRoad is I wish they gave you a little bit more time to do a warm-up. They pretty much, once you start the program, they pretty much get right into things, pretty hot and heavy. So I'm going to take the time to do a proper warm-up. So I'm going to get into my kit and spin out for probably 15 minutes. Then I'll get TrainerRoad going and we'll get tonight's workout underway.
What we do here is go back.
Alright guys, that is the end of the workout. 3 12-minute, pretty much threshold intervals. Tough workout, awesome workout. Thanks for coming along with me, and I'll see you guys right back here in the next video.